Did you know that about 3.9 billion people, or half of world's population, live in mining countries? Hello everyone, thanks for coming back. Today we are going to discuss about the next item in the ISIC list, that is mining. The resources we get from mining form an essential part of our day-to-day life. They say that a total of 62 different metals go into an average mobile handset. Mining accounts for a quarter of global GDP, but mining countries also suffer from poverty, corruption and conflict. Mining is one of the oldest industry, predating even the Homo sapiens. Early miners started by looking for stones for hunting tools. Later they mined to build tools for agriculture. Mined minerals were probably among the first materials traded. The earliest known mine for a specific mineral is a coal mine from South Africa. This was about 4,000 to 20,000 years ago. But mining did not become a significant industry until more advanced civilizations developed 10,000 to 7,000 years ago. The first industrial revolution gave us mechanized means of mining using steam-powered lifts, drills and pumps. The second industrial revolution brought in electricity and safer lighting methods. The third reduced human involvement in the mining process significantly. Top 3 challenges faced by the mining industry. 1. The health and safety of the workers. 2. The environmental footprint of mine lease. 3. Operational efficiency. Driverless vehicles, drones and advanced sensing technologies will completely eliminate human involvement in risky aspects of mining and thus significantly reduce concerns regarding health and safety of workers. Today we do not have enough data on environmental footprint of mine leaves. Industry 4.0 technologies can increase precision and accuracy of data, make it more transparent and thus manageable. Real-time data can also assist in specific mining use cases like cutting back downtime after a blast, cutting down the time of evacuation drills, ensuring safe conditions and mechanical placement, cutting back on machinery downtime and cutting back on energy costs. A discussion on mining cannot be completed without mentioning urban mining. In traditional mining, if you process 1 ton of gold ore, you get 5 grams of gold. However, when you process 1 ton of old mobile phones, you get 150 grams of gold. This is not as easy as it sounds though. Today, we do not have a way to measure the amount of resources recycled. Let's hope that someday Industry 4.0 will help us establish this number and help this important industry grow.